Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review ChatScribe Pro. So ChatScribe is a tool that lets you transcribe your videos. And once you transcribe your video, you can also literally chat with the video, which means you can ask any question that is on the video. And the AI of ChatScribe is going to answer exactly on the content that is on the video. As for the language models, it has multiple models from ChatGPT to Gemini to Cloud 3. ChatScribe also has some other features such as the document chat. So you can upload any document and then you can chat with that. And once you get the transcription of a video, you can also translate the transcript into over 100 languages. So this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $49. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So these are three plans that are available on Appsumo. The plan 1 costs $49, where you get 10 hours of transcription every month. You have unlimited GPT-3 AI content generation, unlimited GPT-3 questions using AI chatbot, 100k limit on the GPT-4 words. You have access to all the top LLM models. The content that you generate, you have full rights to them, and you have standard support. There is also plan 2 with 20 hours of transcription, premium support, and plan 3 with 30 hours of transcription as well as premium support. So if you want to buy ChatScribe Pro on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of ChatScribe. So after you log in, you're going to get this dashboard, and on the dashboard you can see the transcription limit. So I have 30 minutes of limit, and you can also see the words limit. So these words are going to be used when you interact with the AI, and I have unlimited words for that. So now let me show you how this works. First of all, I'm going to show you how the transcription feature of ChatScribe works. So for that, let's go to this My Transcription. So now I have multiple methods in order to upload my video, or it could also be an MP3 file, which means audio file. So these are the files that are currently supported to upload or for transcription. But you can also add a YouTube video. All you have to do is just provide the URL on this box, and I'm going to do exactly that. So let's open a YouTube video. For example, I want to add this video. I want to see the transcript of this video. It is a video from the 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗀 channel. So let's copy the URL. And then I'm going to paste the URL on this box. Now just click on proceed. So I have to select the language for the transcription. I'm going to select English. And you can also select what the audio is talking about. So you can select general, meeting, phone call, any of these. So for example, I'm just going to keep it general and click on transcribe. So the transcription has been completed, and this was pretty fast. The video is about 8 minutes long, but for this video, the transcription took about 20 to 30 seconds. So that was really fast. Now let's open the transcription. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the transcription on here, and you can also see the speaker number. So speaker 1. So if there are multiple speakers, you can see speaker 1, speaker 2. So this way you can identify how many speakers are on a video, and you can also set that on the transcription. And on top, you can probably see the video.
Alright, so there is just one thing.
Yeah, on top you can see the video, and at the bottom we have got the full transcript. And to be honest, if you read this transcript, you will understand that it is super accurate. I'm really impressed with how accurate it is. And I also really like how they have used proper punctuations on the transcript, because a lot of the times we get very raw transcription with no full stop, no comma, nothing at all. But on here we have got a very organized transcription that is really good. And in case you do not know, you can edit the transcription however you want. Just click on this edit. Now you can edit this part or this one. So just you have to select a certain transcript or sentence. You can then edit that however you want. You can also delete this block, merge it with something else, or you can also split it. And obviously you can download the transcript. It could be with the timestamp and speaker. It could also be with timestamp but no speaker. And I think from here you can also translate it to some other language. So you have a lot of languages option, over 100 languages to be precise. And if you do not want to see this transcript as this transcript version, you can also switch to the text version. So now we have got the full text as the transcription. So you can copy it and for example you can use it on your blog or something else. But another great feature is that you can also get this transcription as subtitle, literally subtitle file. So it could be SRT subtitle. So just see how good it is. You can see exactly the timing for the subtitle and obviously the text on that particular timing. You can download the SRT file to use it as subtitle. But if you do not want the SRT file, you also have VTT file. So here is that. And obviously you can also download it from here. But other than that, there are also a lot more options. Other than just the transcript, we can also see the speaker analysis. So you can see the total audio duration, the total time that is spoken, and total time that is idle, which means the speaker was not speaking. So here you can see the speaker time distribution and you can also see the sentiment analysis. So the overall essence of the video. So this video was overall positive with some concerns, and you can also see that on here the speaker in the audio transcript expresses satisfaction with the improvements and features of the Google Pixel 8a such as design, upgraded chip. However, there are some concerns that are raised about pricing, inconsistencies and so on. So this is just an overall summary of the video, the sentiment analysis. You can also see the summary and topics on here. So you can see exactly which topics are discussed on this video and also the summary of this video. You can also download it or copy it if you want. You can get some key takeaways from this particular video. So here are 8 takeaways that you can see on this video. And there is also this AI content generator. So using it, you can generate anything you want. You can provide a custom prompt or you can get some title ideas about this particular video, I think. So let's click on generate and let's see what we get. Yes, that is exactly what it is. We got some title, one title to be precise on here. We can also generate more if we want. So as you can see, we can generate some titles based on this video. And then we can also generate ad script, full blog, summarize this video. We can also generate a LinkedIn post. So I'm going to try this one. And obviously you can also select your language model from here. So let's generate a LinkedIn post. So as you can see, we have got the LinkedIn post for this particular video. We can also generate another if we do not like this one. So here is another. And we can also get Facebook post. And then we have this customize option. So currently on this prompt, on this AI content generator, we have all these options: title, ad script, full blog. We can also delete them or add more if we want. Just click on this customize. Now if I want to add this show note option or FAQ, I can also add them. So as you can see, the show note and the FAQ has been added. Now I want to generate some FAQs based on this particular video. Let's click on generate. So as you can see, now we have got some major FAQs or notable FAQs on here. And wow, these are some really good FAQs. We have got 9 and we also have got the answer to each of the FAQs. And on the right side, we have the chatbot that is very similar to ChatGPT. So we can ask it anything about this particular video. So let's ask a question. So this is going to be my question for the chatbot. Let's see if we can get some proper answer. So this is amazing. As you can see, we have got the answer and this is really good. If you watch this particular video, you will see 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 is exactly talking about this particular points, the concerns about the new Pixel 8a. You can also refresh it or you can also make this more easy to understand. So there are multiple options on here. You can also change the language or the language model from here. So these are basically all the features about the transcription of ChatScribe. And then we have another feature that is called this doc chat. So we can upload a file and then we can talk to the file just like ChatGPT. So let's upload a PDF file. And keep in mind, you can also upload your file from website URL. So I have uploaded my file. Click on submit. So as you can see, we have got the summary about our PDF file. We can also see all the topics that are covered on this particular file. And then we also have access to the content generator. So we can ask anything from here, or you can also do that from this right side. We can ask anything to the chatbot of ChatScribe. And if you want to see the live document, you can also do that. Just click on document view. So here is our live document. So for example, I want to ask this question. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. Let's ask this question to the AI. Now let's send our question. So as you can see, the foundation of SEO lies in keywords. So we have got the answer, and the best part is we can also see exactly from where we have got the answer on here. So this is really good. It also gives you the reference. So if I go back to this document view, live document view, as you can see, here is the answer. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. So this is how the document chat is going to work, and this is yet another amazing feature by ChatScribe. And last but not least, we have this multi-doc chat. We can create a collection. Let's do that. So now let's open this, and on here I think you can add multiple documents. Let's try this. So as soon as I click on that, we have got two things. We have got two files, the transcription file or the video that we added, and also the PDF, which means all of the files, all of the content that you add on ChatScribe, they are going to appear on this multi-doc chat, and I think you can chat with all of them at once. So let's select both of them, click on add to collection. So as you can see, both of them are now here. Now I think I can ask any question about them. So for example, I want to ask, now let's send our question. So as you can see, we have got our answer. So just like this, you can add multiple documents on this section, and then you can chat with all of them at once, ask any question that you want on here. And in case you are interested, we also have the roadmap of ChatScribe. So here are some features that are in progress or not started, which means the features that are requested. Here is another feature that is in progress, and there is another page. So here are some more features that you can see that are requested or in progress. So overall, I think ChatScribe Pro is an excellent tool. It does what it is supposed to do very well. You can translate any of your video or audio file, and the transcription accuracy is super good. And you can do a lot more other than just creating transcription from video or any other file. You can get the summary, you can get the topics that are covered. You have the fully interactive chatbot that you can ask any question to about your video or about any other content that you uploaded on ChatScribe. And we also have the document chat and multi-document chat where you can upload various documents and then chat with them. So if you want to buy this amazing tool on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. So with this tool, these are some of the plans that you can buy.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.